Hi guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm gonna make a new dip recipe. This is my new vegan chive and onion dip. So let's get started. So today I'm using the Vitamix E310 blender. This is Vitamix's most affordable model and it does an amazing job at everything, including dips. So firstly, I'm gonna use some vegan sour cream. You can buy this at Woolworths in Australia. Any sort of sour cream, it's entirely up to you. I'm just gonna add another 250 ml, so that will give it 2 full cups. Next, I'm gonna add some caramelized onion. Now, you can make your own caramelized onion on the stove if you like. I've gone the easy way out and purchased a nice gourmet caramelized onion. It's a vegan one as well. So in that goes 4 tablespoons. Next, I'm gonna add in 1.5 teaspoons of vegan Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and that goes. It's a beautiful chive and onion dip, so I'm gonna add in some flavors. I've got some onion powder here, we'll put that in. And I've also got some garlic powder, just 3/4 of a teaspoon of both. I'm gonna put in some fresh chives, beautiful. And also some Himalayan rock salt. So let's lock our lid into place. Always make sure our lid is locked in place when using a Vitamix. I'm gonna start it on the lowest speed, speed 1. I'm gonna make sure I use my tamper just to help it along. And I'm only gonna blend it, for probably 5 to 10 seconds on a slow speed. Away we go. All right, so that's how easy it is. Let's try some of that dip. I'm gonna serve this out in a minute, sprinkle some chives on top. Happy days. So, so good, look at that. Perfect. I think you're gonna love this recipe. Great entertaining recipe this summer. Happy blending.